Welcome to American Orthodontics. For over 50 years, we've been making orthodontic treatment supplies right here in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. This is a place where the phrase, braces made in the USA, takes on a whole new meaning. It's about pride, commitment, and knowing that we're making the best braces possible. Here, we pair raw ingenuity and state-of-the-art technology with unparalleled attention to detail and dedication to our work. And you don't have to take our word for it. The facts speak for themselves. With over 700 global employees and product availability in over 110 countries, we're one of the largest manufacturers of orthodontic supplies in the world. Our factory is like no other in the industry. It's a state-of-the-art facility where we only use premium materials in our products, and our in-house automation engineers design most of our manufacturing technologies. And because our operations are under one roof, we can ensure the utmost in quality control. We've earned certifications from FDA, UDI, CE, and MDSAP, and we're also ISO certified. And while at face value, these may seem like letters, they represent something bigger. They're a commitment that means the products used in your treatment are safe, effective, durable, and backed by a company that stands behind what it makes. At American Orthodontics, we never stop trying to improve. Our engineers are always thinking and designing, which is why we've consistently earned industry awards for performance and quality. And we're committed to research, inside our walls and out. We're the only platinum corporate partner of the American Association of Orthodontists Foundation, donating annually to support education, research, and grants. And finally, there's the people who truly set us apart. Many of the people making and selling our braces have been here 10, 20, 30, and even 40 years. They're a team dedicated to providing personalized service for the orthodontic specialist. And with just one look, you can see what braces made in the USA means to them. It means everything.